Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest, science-backed beauty insights that help you look and feel your best. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on a duo that promises to give dry, dehydrated hair a serious hydration boost: the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This combo is designed to tackle dryness with the power of hyaluronic acid, aiming to deliver up to 72 hours of intense moisture for bouncy, shiny hair. So, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Starting with the basics, this set includes a shampoo and conditioner infused with a 2% hyaluronic care complex. Hyaluronic acid is a superstar ingredient borrowed from skincare, known for its impressive ability to attract and retain moisture. L'Oréal claims this complex provides twice the hydration, aiming to replump hair strands and reduce dryness. The shampoo is paraben-free, which is a plus for those mindful of ingredient safety, and the scent is a pleasant blend of berries, cherry blossom, vanilla, and sandalwood. Subtle but fresh, nothing overpowering. Incorporating these into my hair routine was straightforward. The shampoo lathered nicely without stripping my hair of natural oils, which is crucial for dry hair types. It felt gentle yet effective in cleansing. The conditioner followed up with good slip, making detangling easier, and left my hair feeling noticeably softer. Over several washes, I did observe that my hair felt more hydrated and looked shinier, with less of that straw-like dryness I usually battle. The promise of up to 72 hours of moisture seems believable here, especially if you're consistent with using the full Elvive Hyaluron Plump line, including their Flash Hydration Wonder Water and Replumping Serum. Now, the texture of both products is lightweight, which is ideal because heavy formulas can weigh down dry hair further. This balance between hydration and lightness is definitely a strong suit. However, if your hair is severely damaged or extremely coarse, you might find it needs additional nourishment beyond this set alone. Also, while the scent is enjoyable, it fades relatively quickly, so don't expect it to linger throughout the day. Midway here, if you're finding this review helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so fellow beauty enthusiasts can discover these honest takes. Your support really helps us keep sharing insights you can trust. Looking at the price point, this set falls into the affordable to mid-range category, which aligns well with what it offers. Considering the inclusion of hyaluronic acid, a premium skincare ingredient now trending in hair care, the value feels justified. The packaging is sturdy and practical, with easy-to-use flip caps, although nothing too luxurious or extravagant, which suits everyday use. In comparison to other hydration-focused shampoo conditioner sets, L'Oréal's Elvive Hyaluron Plump stands out due to the skincare-inspired formula and its multi-step system approach. Brands like OGX or Herbal Essences offer hydrating lines too, but they don't typically emphasize hyaluronic acid or the 72-hour moisture claim. If you want a simpler, budget-friendly option without the multi-product routine, those might be worth considering. But if you're into layering products for maximum hydration, this kit offers a nice entry point. Since I haven't contacted customer support, I can't speak from personal experience, but L'Oréal generally has a solid reputation for addressing customer needs promptly and effectively. If your budget is tighter, look for shampoos and conditioners with glycerin, panthenol, or natural oils. These ingredients also provide good hydration without the hyaluronic acid premium. But for those willing to invest in a formula that blends hair care with skincare innovation, this is a compelling choice. To wrap up, the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner deliver on their promise of hydrating dry hair with a light, pleasant formula that integrates seamlessly into a daily routine. They're best suited for those with mildly to moderately dry hair who appreciate a fresh scent and skincare-inspired ingredients. If your hair is severely dry or damaged, pairing these with more intensive treatments might be necessary. Thanks for hanging out with me here on Beautyistic. The purchase link is right down below in the description and comments. If you've already tried this set, I'd love to hear your experience. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.